Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. I wanted to let you guys know that my side gig is I'm a web designer and a programmer. So I, in 2014, started making websites for beekeepers. I mean, I've been making websites for 20 years. But in 2014, I decided to start making websites for beekeepers. And since then, it's been a really good addition to my beekeeping business in the sense that it keeps me busy during the off-season, and I very much enjoy it. I enjoy beekeepers and I enjoy making websites, so it was kind of a perfect match. So I wanted to let you guys know that I make websites. I make mobile applications, web applications, desktop applications, almost anything that you would need for your business to get it branded on the internet or to make it work more smoothly or to maximize your profit. So if you guys have a mobile app idea or a website that you need made for a small business, or you know somebody that needs one, send them my way or head to bkbsites.com. I'd be happy to chat at you about that. I mean, the prices, I do everything myself. I don't outsource anything, so that I'm able to keep prices quite low, a lot lower than you'd get at a large web design firm. So keep it local, keep it within the beekeeping community, and get at me with your website ideas. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you tolerating this marketing message. So have a good one. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.